going down, RecTech family? Ray Connors here, co-founder of RecTech Grills. We're having our game day special. Great appetizers when you're tailgating. For those of you guys that like to take that Matador out to game day, especially when you're going out there to watch those awesome Georgia Bulldogs win, we're doing some mini corn dogs. I got the help of my boy here,
Stevie Fredericks.
He's with Twisted Burrito in Evans, Georgia. You should check him out if you get a chance. So we're going to do these mini corn dogs. So we've got the hot dogs, of course. We've got a pack of
Lit'l Smokies.
Lit'l Smokies. Pack of Mexican-style cornbread muffin mix. The ingredients will be listed below. We've got this, the flour, 1 egg, and 2/3 a cup of milk. We're going to mix that up. We're going to go out to the Matador, stab these little guys with a toothpick, and we're going to fry them up. We'll see you at the Matador. All right, so we got these mini corn dogs we're doing in the Matador. We got the grease preheated to 325. These are real simple. You take them, you stab it in the middle there, dip it in a little flour, then in your corn batter, and then we're going to roll it in the oil like Stevie's going to tell you. Just kind of dip it for 10 seconds, turn it, and then gently lay it in. When they're golden brown, you take them off, and then we're going to eat these guys. Makes a nice, cool appetizer, and it's easy and it's a lot of fun to do. So watch this. He's just going to let it firm up for a second, swirl it around a little bit, and just tip that guy in there.
Bam!
Boom, one's done. So we'll get these guys nice and golden brown. We'll see you here in a second. So tell us about what we did here, man.
Oh, Mexican corn dogs, spicy corn dogs in the Matador, man.
In the Matador for game day, man. When you're tailgating, excellent appetizer. Make you a little dipping sauce, whether it just be ketchup or you want to make an aioli or a sriracha aioli. I happen to have some jalapeno ketchup, some specialty ketchup that's going really well with them. And these things are incredible. You can't just eat one. It's one of those things, you have one, you're going to have a bunch. We forgot the toast, man.
Oh, of course.
Now I double dip with you, man.
We've done worse. Those are outstanding.
I appreciate you grilling me and frying some food in the Matador. We've been friends a long time.
A long time.
Anyways, thanks for grilling with me today. I hope you have a great football season. And join us on all social media and visit us at rectechgrills.com. Take care, man.